Prep the ready room for recruits. Commander 9 known, please report back to ITS cockpit.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a first-order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pokhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9 and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pokhara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
Hurry. Recruits to transport. Hurry for safety gear. It'll be a smooth ride. Ground crews, deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Your honeymoon is going to resistance. We appreciate it.
Initiate pre-flight sequence.
All right, everybody, are we ready for our mission? Yes! When these doors open, step all the way in and make sure to hold on to those handrails inside. And remember, if you get captured, never tell anybody who you're working for. It will not work out for you, I promise. We are clear for takeoff. Transport away in 30 seconds. Let's move. All the way in. Make sure to hold on to them.
I'm getting a high reading on the fuel pressure line. That's better. Check the binary motivator. Yes. I just want to be sure.
All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
Good.
Hyperdrive.
Yes. Check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Hyperdrive need to run it out of
Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, Nina. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report.
Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
System scan ready.
Affirmative.
Red on.
Hyperdrive systems normal. Main reactor. Engage propulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pokhara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First order TIE fighters. Reroute! Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump. They're all over us! One hit!
We lost Red 2, more incoming! Blue 5 taking evasive action!
Try to shake him, Blue!
I'm trying!
We lost Blue 5! I'm gonna try to draw all the way!
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready! son.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
Our hands and friends will make us a fair fight. Don't worry, I'm coming back for you. Stay strong.
Is there anything we can do, Magna? No, the tractor beam will be too strong. It's worth a shot. Full reverse. Any other ideas? Then work the navicomputer. I don't want them finding anything.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Where do you think you're going? This ship has been taken over by the First Order. You will exit and proceed right for your interrogation. Do not do anything foolish. We outnumber you. Now you may go.
We have eyes on you. Excellent. Keep it moving.
Keep your units together. Unit on this side. No, unit, we're on that side. Sorry. Keep your units together. You may use any time.
Where's my partner?
Unit hold right here.
Oh dear.
Any units of one? Single unit?
Single file line.
Unit?
Stay in a single file line. Stay in your units. Stay in a single file.
Any units of one?
Stay in a single
Single
file
unit.
line.
Unit of one.
Follow along. Do the units in front of you.
Are there any units of one? Any single units?
File line. Single file
remember our color. They don't have much.
Prisoners are secure.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
I guess just remember our color. They don't have much.
Prisoners are secure.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Good luck out there.
Okay, Finn, the recruits are ready. Got it. Sending is a transmission. Okay, let's see if I can log in and put it in on the screen. I rerouted some pathways, got some new orders, and reprogramming them to the archives. Did you double check the stabilizers? No, do that now. I think once we're in the week, it must be something in the area of information we can. Alright, that's great. I did, I reprogramed the archive. Did you see anything out there?
Okay. Take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. The probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detachment to level D. There they are! Fire!
their conviction. Raise the shields.
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up, Scaffold's popping.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.